Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to track daily activity with Apple's new Journal app in iOS 18. First, launch the Journal app on your device. Now browse through all the features of the app. There is a 3 dots icon in the top right corner and then tap on it. You will see a drop-down of the options to make changes in your journal. To start the journal, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. You can select any moment and start writing. On the right side, there are all the recent documents. Now tap the new entry option to start writing your journal. To get more options, tap the 3 dots icon on the right side. Once you're done, hit the done button to save your journal. Then, go to the home screen of the app where you will see the day streaks. There is a 3 dots icon in the top right corner and then tap on it. Select the health access option from the menu list and you can toggle off the changes. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.